Shedding pounds seems like an American pastime. We constantly turn to questionable fad diets with strict instructions on what, how, and when to eat. Yet the CDC reports that over 2/3 of adults are overweight. How can it be that everyone wants to lose weight, yet we're all getting fatter and fatter? The fact is, traditional diets just don't work. What we're here to tell you about isn't another fad diet. It's a time-tested dieting method that's been around for as long as man has roamed the earth. And it's backed by solid science. It's called intermittent fasting, and it's becoming one of the world's most popular health trends. Intermittent fasting doesn't mean going without food completely. It's a simple and practical process where you reduce your calories, but only for short periods of time. This allows your body to rest, rejuvenate, and burn fat. And you still get to eat your normal diet for a majority of the time. Intermittent fasting is so effective because of how your body is designed. Our ancestors followed a feast and famine cycle out of necessity, only eating when food was available. However, your body hasn't adapted to cope with modern civilization's constant food availability. Think of your body's metabolism like an engine. Your body takes in fuel and converts it to energy so you can survive. When you eat, your body uses food as its primary fuel. Excess food is converted to fat and stored away as a reserve tank for when you're not eating. When you fast, your body burns fat from these reserves because you don't have access to any other fuel. For most of us, this stored fat is never used, as it builds up on your waistline and other unflattering places. So how do we try to lose weight? We drastically reduce our caloric intake over long periods of time. Unfortunately, your body adjusts to this radical change by slowing down your metabolism. Your engine goes into a lower gear, burning its fuel at a much slower rate. That's why it's extremely difficult to lose weight, and impossible to keep it off with traditional diets and exercise. Worse, your body can remain in this lower gear for a year or more, even when you inevitably fall off your diet. This creates a vicious cycle, gaining weight faster because your slower metabolism is no longer efficiently burning fuel. The key to intermittent fasting is that your metabolism never slows because you only reduce calories for short periods of time. But how do you find the right mix of calories and nutrition to optimize your intermittent fast? Introducing FastBlast, a revolutionary weight loss program specifically designed to support intermittent fasting. FastBlast is the easiest, most effective way to lose weight. With FastBlast, you are in control. FastBlast for any 2 days a week while still enjoying the foods you love the rest of the time. Are you ready to shed those unwanted pounds once and for all? Take this opportunity right now to change your life forever and join the FastBlast revolution today.